So detection. Okay, so this is this detection is like these I mean the phase is just a phase where it has to detect. Okay? So what happens after the post? Why there is a detection?
It is to know that application is already installed or not.
Okay, so if it is installed,
if it is installed, then it will abort the process, I think.
yeah. So it will not install tomorrow. It will not install next time.
Yeah.
Or else every day it will keep installing, right? Someone should tell it's already installed. Boss, don't install.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is a reason for post installation. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm. So the way that the things that you can actually see in the logs is through this process detection, and then a registry detection. So these are all the everything that is in the green, right? You can actually check. So this is a step. Clearly, it will say the logs are very clear. Okay, this step is now detecting rules after execution. Okay, it will now go ahead and check what are the detection rules based on what you have. Like this is a detection rule. Someone has put registry as a detection rule in this registry instead of path. If you have put C program files VLC, that will come here. Okay, so it is only to check whether it is detecting or not. So now someone should tell the compliance policy state and result. Okay, so now after the post installation detection phase and installation phase, it will go ahead and check, go and send the IME status, whether the app is installed, to the Intune portal. Now you'll see success or failure. And what if it fails? So these are the reasons if it fails. The application will be installed, but it might have not go and tell the system that whether it is installed or not. Okay? So at that point of time, some URL might be blocking. Okay? If you're in the company network, outside in the internet, everything works fine. Everything fails only as many of the things fail only if it is working in a strict, secure corporate network. Okay, so you just need to check the logs, and you can tell the network team. User logs. Yeah, so this is the system goes to sleep after inactivity or something like this. Okay, so suddenly after the application is installed, and people went for lunch, and suddenly the system will go to sleep, right? Even in that case, it will not go ahead and report. Next day, it will report.
So in sleep mode, it will not process.
Sorry?
In sleep mode, it will not process.
Sorry, I did not understand.
I mean, if system is in sleep mode, then process is not happen.
Yes. If the system is sleep mode, nothing happens. Yeah. So only power will be there. Windows operating system will be in the temporary RAM. No processor, no network activities will be done. That is the sleep mode.
So how much take time to it again triggering?
Next time, next Intune sync, next policy sync.
Got it. Sector.
Or else simply it will not, because it slept, if it is in the the request or the request will be dropped at that point of time. If you are awaking the system, it might fail. Okay? So it will not work. Only in the next time. Everything happens slowly here. Nothing happens immediately.
Yes.
Okay. So next is like yeah. So these are where to collect the logs. Now you want to know where to collect the logs. See, it will be here. Okay. What are the different logs? There will be 4 logs. Okay. The important log is this log. Intune management extension. If you go to
Mm.
C drive, program
Yeah.
data, Microsoft, Intune management extension logs. This log is the important log. And after 2 MB or 2 MB, it will go like this, underscore Intune management extension. And a new log will be created. Old log will go here, new log will come. Old log will go here, new log will come. So as you can see, this is the main client log. It contains agent check-in, policy request, policy processing, and reporting activities, all of that. And this is agent executor.log, and it tracks all the PowerShell scripts, execution details, everything. If you deploy PowerShell scripts, it will be here, agent executor.log. And so if you client health, whether client is properly there or not, you will have client here, client health. Okay.
Yes.
So next. So yeah, so this is again, as I told you, right? This is a path where everything happens. If you go to program, while suddenly if you click on VLC installation, okay. So immediately if you can come here within that few 1 minute, half 30 seconds, 40 seconds, right? If you come here, the initial download will happen here in staging, sorry, incoming.
Mm.
Okay, so it will immediately download here. Application will be installed, okay, during the staging phase. And then after that, it will be deleted. The application gets downloaded in this content folder. So just in case, so far you don't require, okay, but anyways, just for you want to check the registry also, it can actually check, but just give me a minute. Just give me a minute.
Sure.
So registry, right? So this is software, Microsoft management function. Okay. Okay. So this is where you see. If you come to this registry path, right, software, Microsoft Internet mention Win32 apps. Based on that app ID, okay, so this is what you'll see. Okay, all these are app IDs. You see here app IDs, app IDs, app IDs, app IDs. Okay, so this is the message. It's exit code 0, intent is 3. Okay, so reboot status is clean, acknowledgement is show, all that information. Just for your, just it's a information just to show that where is it stored. Okay. So these are all the error codes that you see on the left-hand side, on the right-hand side, the one that you showed today.
Yeah.
For VLC, right? So these are all the error codes in the Intune console. Okay.
Mm.
So this might not always be correct. Okay. This gives you a rough idea. Okay. If you want to really understand why installation or uninstallation or anything fails, we have to go to the IME logs and check.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, I don't have to memorize. Even if this is there in Microsoft documentation, so that's nothing secret. Okay. So another thing, so IME logs are not helping. Okay, so you can increase the verbose of that IME logs. Okay, so you can actually go to the configuration and change. See, this is where the IME logs are there. Okay, if you go to say, for example, your IME logs is there, right? It gives you level 2 information. 99% of the time, you'll already see what is the issue. Okay? But if you still don't understand what is the issue there, okay, usually you don't have to do it. Microsoft support will come and tell you to do this. Okay, they will come you to open this file .config. If you open this file in config, one second. Okay, so if you go and if you switch the value from information to verbose, VERBOSE, then it will give you, and then restart the installation, right, by deleting that registries. It will give you more information which you will not understand. Okay. So anyways, Microsoft will understand, so don't worry. So that is all I have for this very quick. I really made this very short so that people don't get confused. Every time I go to the training and I explain, I usually don't explain so detailed because it's a packaging team's job. Okay, it is not really Intune's administrator. In big company, right, there are two different teams. One is Intune administrator and another one is the application packaging administrator. So any of the installation and installation of the applications, Intune people don't take care. Okay, application packaging team will take care. Okay, so that is about application packaging. I think I'll share this PPT. Now you'll better understand after you do, if you have your client machine, right? You can do some testing.
And also Microsoft Defender PPT.
Microsoft Defender PPT. Okay, yeah, yesterday's. Yeah, I'll do it. I'll share it. So, but there is nothing. There is only one picture there in the Microsoft Defender PPT, the one that I shared yesterday. Because I don't use PPT for Defender for endpoint. I only use directly lab. Anyways, I'll share because whatever I shared, it's already
So
there.
if you have any documents regarding Arduino Dependent, then can share.
Okay, sure. I'll see documents. If you create any document today, right? After a few months, that will be not valid. Microsoft itself will change so many things in the product. Okay. So you have to read directly live from the internet every day. So